Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel where I serve premium content only. So in today's video I'm making fresh fruit juice. Yes, freshly extracted fruit juice. You can see this, very beautiful yellow color, and I'm sure you already know the fruits I used in this even without seeing them yet. So in this video I made use of mangoes, I made use of pineapples, I made use of a little bit of banana, I think like 2 pieces of banana. I made use of oranges as well. Like, I feel like there's no fruit juice without oranges because the water content in orange is very, very much, and it's also very sweet as well. So I made use of this mangoes and the pineapple, and I added a little bit of ginger to it. If you do not like ginger, you can totally skip that part and just make your juice like that. But I like ginger, and ginger gives it this very nice taste. That was why I added ginger to it. So first off, I started with my oranges. I was extracting my orange with a citrus extractor, which was very affordable. I just got it from the supermarket, so this is very affordable. You can as well get a citrus extractor from a supermarket closer to you. So this was just me extracting the oranges, and this particular extractor does not only extract the water, the liquid content from the orange, it also extracts the pulp. So if you do not like orange pulp, you can sieve it again and maybe use a cheesecloth, or you can use a sieve that has a smaller hole so that the pulp will not be able to go through it. As for me, in this video I extracted it again because I do not like orange pulp. I am not the lover of orange pulp. So if you're like me, you can do it as I did. And well, this is a citrus extractor, so I used this for the oranges, and I used this other juicer for the pineapple and the mango. All you just have to do is I peeled the pineapple, cut them in smaller chunks. For the oranges, for the mangoes as well, I peeled the back of the mango, then I just cut it with a knife into this juicer, and it juiced it out for me very, very easy. So you can skip the ginger, you can add the ginger anyone you want to do. And as for the banana, I added the banana to this as well. Banana does not have any liquid content, so I didn't use too much of banana because it makes your drink to swell, and I don't want that. I wanted something very liquid, something I can sip and enjoy. So after everything, I just added all the juice inside a juice bucket, juice bowl. You can take anything you want to use for that, just add in everything and mix together, and I got this very beautiful yellow juice, and I just love the color. Like, I feel like the color is inviting, and this was so delicious. Like, I really loved it, and I believe you can make your juice yourself at home. You would prefer it, I can say. You would prefer it to the packed juice that they sell outside. And also, in this video I have a bonus video. I mean, what is making this juice without having something to enjoy it with? So stay tuned. If you watch this video to this extent, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. You can also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any video. So now let's go back to the bonus video I talked about. Ta-da! This is a bonus video. What is the bonus video? Oh yeah, catfish, catfish, catfish. I am a lover of catfish. I love catfish a lot, and I prefer to grill my catfish. So I just grated my pepper, onions, garlic. Then I added in seasoning cubes to it as well. Then I just poured everything I grated into the catfish, and I kept it in the freezer so it can stay for some minutes, so that the seasoning, the pepper, everything would, enter into the catfish. Then I fried some stew. Then that's what I'm using to glaze this catfish right now. I'm using my fried stew to, dress the catfish. And you can put in your onions. You can, you slice onions, use it to dress it, use it to make it fine. You can also cut your onions and put it inside the catfish so that the onions, the garlic, whatever it is you want to use would release its own flavor into the fish as well. So this is me just glazing it with my pepper, my fried stew rather. This is me just glazing it with my fried stew, and I'm just going to use my foil paper to wrap it, and that is all. That is it. So I just finished wrapping it, set aside. This wasn't the only one I did. I did about I think 8, because we were like more in the house, so and only we cannot be enjoying. That is why I said you can make everything yourself, you can enjoy yourself at home. So this is about like 8 catfish, or 7, I think. Okay, 7 catfish. So I just I've already set my oven on, like my oven is already preheated. So I just added in my catfish, and this is the catfish, now it's ready. Within 45 minutes, your catfish should be ready within 45 minutes. So this was it. I enjoyed myself. You can enjoy yourself as well. So if you watch this video to this extent, please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post the video. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.
The fish will make it finish. I'm telling you, the fish will make it okay. The fish will make